your host and host Ravi, and it's a beautiful morning. We are planning to head towards Jog Fall. It's 4 hour journey from here. So let's get started.
While driving my car, I'll tell you, we are starting our journey from Manipal, and Jog Fall is approximately 160 km from here. The roads are really pretty and scenic. We are gonna have a lot of fun today. We will stop here for breakfast and I'll take the famous South Indian dish, buns along with chutney and sambar. Wow! After breakfast and nice coffee, passing through a beautiful forest is really awesome feeling. We covered 55 kilometers so far and reached Agumbe. Agumbe is a part of Western Ghat and it is also known as Cherrapunji of South India. The point looking there is called Sunset Point and it is one of the most visiting place in Agumbe. The elevation of Agumbe is 2,700 feet. You can see beautiful landscape from here. As a part of Western Ghat mountain range, Agumbe lies in a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a place with very high concentration of snakes. If you are a mountain person and if you love photography, then this is the perfect place for you. Now we will proceed further towards our destination, Jog Fall. After Agumbe, we reached here Tirthalli now. So after 3.5 hours driving, we reached here Jog village. The waterfalls situated near the village, that is the reason it is called Jog waterfall. The river is looking below the bridge is called Saravati river. This is outer entrance of Jog waterfall. So now we are entering inside the waterfall. Is looking there is the main entrance for Jog waterfall. We purchased ticket 10 rupees per person to get entry and now going to park our car in the parking side. Keep on watching, you are going to see second highest waterfall in India. And I will also share you how to reach here from the different destinations. Saravati river drops from 870 feet and forms India's second highest waterfall. You will see a lot of monkeys here. You can enjoy with them by feeding. They are lovely. But please don't annoy them or don't hurt them. I'm sure you will enjoy by feeding them the way I'm doing. Wow, this is the first time I'm experiencing this. the world famous Jog waterfall, second highest in India, fifth highest in Asia, and 13th highest in world. Wow. River is split in four parts to form this waterfall. Each track has unique name. One is King, second is Queen, third is Roar, and fourth is Rocket. Rainy season is the best time to visit this place. I remember I visited this place 2 years ago during rainy season. That time this valley was full of cloud and you cannot see properly the bottom of this waterfall from this place, but view was really awesome, really scenic. There are 1100 stairs to reach at the bottom of the waterfall. So if you are healthy enough, then only attempt to go down. It is coming under no smoking zone and alcohol is strictly prohibited. It comes under dangerous place. So climbing downstairs is not advisable to senior citizen, children, asthmatic, heart patient, or anyone suffering from health issues. This is 360-degree upper side view. The actual adventurous game will start now. So let's play this game. We are starting going down. If you want to see best of this place or optimum beauty of this place, then you should visit only in rainy season. During rainy season, when flow is heavy at optimum level, that time you may not get opportunity to go inside the valley because that time entry is restricted. However, view from the upper side will be awesome. From here, I can see breathtaking. You can realize only when you are here. Woohoo! I'm standing very near to the world famous Jog waterfall. These are the tiring stairs through which we have come down. After climbing down 1100 stairs, if you will find there is a boundary and you will not able to touch the exact floor there, then it is little disappointing. However, show you 360-degree view of this place from here. From here, sound of falling water is heavenly. If you are an adventure loving person, then I recommend you to visit this place along with some nearby places like Sringeri Mutt, Murdeshwar Temple, where you will see second tallest Shiva statue, Gokarna beautiful beaches, Yanakir, Urpi, Agumbe, etc. Now it's time to tell you how to reach here. Major railway stations are Sagra, that is 30 km, Honawar, that is 68 km, Bhatkal, that is 90 km. This railway station comes under Konkan Railway. And nearest airports are Hubli Airport, that is 130 km, Bangalore Airport, that is 340 km, Mangalore Airport, that is 200 km, and Goa Airport, that is 246 km. Nearest bus stations are Sagra and Shimoga, from where regular bus services are available to Jog Waterfall. Now it's time to say bye-bye to Jog Waterfall. So that's it for today. I'm signing off along with my friend Om Prakash, Ashok and Ashish. I hope you guys like my video. If you did, do drop your comments and